Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade fruit roll-ups. First, choose your favorite ripe fruits like berries or mangoes for optimal flavor. Blend the fruit until it's a smooth puree, ensuring no chunks remain. You can add a touch of sweetener and a squeeze of lemon juice to enhance the taste. This simple preparation sets the stage for a perfect snack. Now let's get ready to dehydrate. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat to prevent sticking. Pour your fruit puree onto the prepared sheet, spreading it very thinly and evenly, about 1/8 of an inch thick. This ensures consistent drying. Preheat your oven to its lowest temperature, usually around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, or use a food dehydrator. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Speaking of easy, these fruit roll-ups are perfect for lunchboxes, and you know what else makes meal prep a breeze? These amazing leak-proof containers. They're fantastic for keeping your snacks fresh. Check the description for a link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Place your baking sheet in the preheated oven and bake for 3 to 6 hours. The exact time depends on your oven and puree thickness. The fruit leather is ready when it's no longer sticky to the touch and peels easily from the mat. Let it cool completely, then cut it into strips. Roll them up for a fun, healthy snack that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.